Hey guys, Pevin here, and today I want to talk about ChatGPT's Codex. It is a new web-based coding platform, and it works by connecting your repository, GitHub repository, and you can just ask it to do something. It will open a pull request based on that. So I connected MyNive icons, which is a public open source repository, and I told it to fix an issue, and it worked on it for like 3 minutes, which seems a little high, but that's fine. It went through a lot of things. It had internet on. It saw the issue. It went through everything. It went through all the files. It finally found the one thing that it needs, which is to add pair dependencies for React, and it did that. It changed two files. One is a pair dependency for React, and another is the README. I told it to don't add anything in README, which took 5 minutes. I don't know why it takes this much time, because in Cursor it does everything like in a second. Even if I set this, it will take like a minute to fully complete it, but it just took a long while. But finally it's done, and I opened a pull request based on that, and it opened a pull request here. So add React 19 peer support. It raised the request as myself, and Copilot automatically reviewed it. I guess there's no changes, and it just changed the file that I needed with Codex as the branch, and it also had the Codex ChatGPT link here. So I think it's fine. It worked good, but I was thinking more like Lovable or Bolt. It has its own web-based playground where I can run everything. For example, MyNive website, which is mynive.com. If I wanted, I could have run this inside here itself as an environment, and maybe I can update something visually and see it here. So that will be great. But till now, it took a while to set everything up. That takes a while, and it's a little confusing, all the environments and how to connect in the environments, everything. It was a little confusing, but I'm sure they'll get there. They'll get to somewhere like you can do all the coding here itself and raise a peer to GitHub. So that's what I'm waiting for. But yeah, this is a nice first step, and I don't think I'll be using this that much. But yeah, as ChatGPT was, this is like the first version, and it will get better and better. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any special request to do in Codex, and I'll try it out. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye bye.